Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see some of the toppers tips. So let's get started. The number one is focus on your weak subjects or areas only if you have enough time to learn it completely. If you have a few days left, do not pick anything new. Second, rest well, eat well, and exercise well. This will help you in being mentally and physically fit. Third one, practice mock tests to boost your short-term memory. Fourth one, take regular breaks. This will help you to relax. Fifth, stay positive and confident. Sixth, make and follow a timetable. Seventh, eat a healthy and balanced diet. 8. Use flowcharts, tables, graphs, or other visual techniques to make notes. I hope you liked. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in with the next video. Bye.